What if one of the most iconic off-road legends of all time rose up again in 2026? Not as a futuristic tech monster, but as a timeless dual-purpose classic reborn with modern relevance? Imagine that familiar two-stroke tick, the lightweight feel, and the pure thrill of swinging a bike through twisty trails and dusty backroads. That's what the 2026 Yamaha DT100 represents in spirit. This video on NG Wheels will take you inside the soul and story of this remarkable motorcycle, and make sure you stick around till the very end for a surprise that real enthusiasts will absolutely love. For many riders around the world, especially in regions like South Asia, Southeast Asia, and Europe, the Yamaha DT series is more than a name. It's a memory, a rite of passage, and a way of life. The DT100 was first seen on the roads and trails back in the 1970s and 80s. Built to be lightweight, rugged, and versatile, it was a machine that didn't just survive the road. It owned it, whether you were cruising down pavement or tackling rough trails. Though the original DT100 was discontinued many years ago and is only available now as a second-hand classic, its impact never faded. Riders still seek out used DT100s for restoration, trail riding, or simple nostalgia, and that says a lot about how beloved this bike has become. When we talk about the DT100's character, we're really talking about its engine. This bike was powered by a 97cc air-cooled, two-stroke single-cylinder motor, a simple, punchy little engine that delivered strong low-end torque and a genuinely fun riding experience. It didn't pretend to be the fastest machine on the block, but it did offer joy in every twist of the throttle. The original DT100's simplicity was its greatest strength. It used a 5-speed constant mesh gearbox, kickstart, and basic carburation, but this minimalism made it incredibly reliable and easy to maintain, even in remote areas where specialist mechanics were nowhere to be found. Its lightweight frame and suspension setup gave it nimble handling, whether bouncing across trail routes or darting through city traffic with ease. But here's the twist. Yamaha in 2026 is not currently launching new 100 C-Class motorcycles like a new DT100, at least according to the latest industry news. Reports suggest Yamaha has shifted focus toward more premium and performance-oriented bikes, deciding not to introduce new models in the 100 to 125cc segment as part of its modern lineup strategy. So what exactly is the 2026 Yamaha DT100? At NG Wheels, we're imagining how Yamaha might reinterpret this classic if it were to come back, not as a pure retro reissue or a low-spec commuter, but as a machine that honors its heritage while holding its own in 2026. In this imagined version, picture an updated DT100 that keeps the lightweight agility and fun-to-ride nature of the original, but with subtle modern touches riders today expect: improved suspension, efficient fuel delivery, and better durability, all while keeping that legendary two-stroke soul alive in spirit. Think of this as a tribute model, a bike that would make classic enthusiasts smile and new riders curious. Imagine a DT100 with modern brakes and a smoother power delivery curve. Perhaps even electronic fuel injection for reliability and easier starts. The challenge will be blending old-school character with contemporary reliability, a true bridge between generations of motorcyclists. This speculative model, whether it ever becomes reality or not, represents something deeper, a connection to riding that isn't just about speed or gadgets. It's about feeling the bike, feeling the terrain, and feeling alive with every shift of the foot and twist of the throttle. That's exactly the experience the DT100 built its reputation on. Even today, in 2026, the original Yamaha DT100 remains a sought-after classic in many markets. Used examples are actively traded and appreciated by collectors and riders who understand its dual-purpose legacy. In Pakistan, for instance, the second-hand value of a well-kept DT100 remains significant among enthusiasts who value its simplicity and heritage. Owning a DT100, even just as a restored classic, brings with it a sense of nostalgia and authenticity. There's no complex software to learn, no multiple riding modes to juggle, just a pure riding machine that responds directly to rider input. The bike's lightweight makes it approachable for newer riders, yet its fun performance and raw character still entertain seasoned veterans. Picture yourself on a sunny morning, kickstarting a DT100, feeling that familiar pop and bass of a two-stroke engine as it comes to life. The engine's rhythm matches your heartbeat. You ride through winding country roads, gravel tracks, and maybe even rocky forest paths, all while smiling at how connected you feel to the machine beneath you. That experience is something few modern bikes, burdened with electronics and weight, can match. One of the most remarkable things about the DT100 was how it brought riding pleasure to everyday life, not just to racing tracks or highway tours. It made adventure accessible. Whether you were exploring rural backroads or commuting through crowded streets, the bike never felt out of place. That's a rare quality, and one that keeps riders dreaming about what a 2026 reinterpretation could be like. Even now, many riders and online communities share stories about bringing old DT100s back to life, fabricating parts, repainting tanks, and tinkering with engines just to experience that raw two-stroke magic. These bikes don't just represent transportation, they represent passion, persistence, and a true connection with the mechanical world. Reddit, though Yamaha may not be officially relaunching a 2026 DT100, the spirit of this bike lives on in its fans and in every classic that still rides today. And here's the special surprise I promised at the start. We're launching a new NG Wheels series celebrating classic bikes that deserve modern revivals, starting with an in-depth tribute to the Yamaha DT100. In this series, we'll explore restoration tips, performance upgrades, vintage rebuild projects, and deep dives into what made these bikes legends in the first place. So if you're someone who loves motorcycles with history, soul, and character, and if you like the idea of blending classic charm with modern capability, you're going to want to stay tuned. The NG Wheels Classic Revival series drops soon, and our first episode will focus entirely on the Yamaha DT100, how to restore one, and what a perfect 2026 homage model could look like.